Dear children, today we are going to read and understand the last lesson from the textbook Flamingo, class 12th. The last lesson is written by Alfonso Daudet. Alfonso Daudet was a French novelist and short story writer. The last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War. Prussia defeated France and the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine passed into Prussian hands. Two protagonists of the story, M. Hamel and Franz, are from Alsace. M. Hamel is a French teacher and Franz is one of his students. The story revolves around how the war plays a pivotal role in their lives. Theme of the story: the story beautifully brings to light the human tendency to postpone the learning of things. The natives of Alsace realized their folly of not giving due importance to their language. They became the victims of linguistic chauvinism with the acquisition of their districts by Prussia. They received their last lesson in French and are compelled to bid farewell to their mother tongue. The story also highlights the brutality of war, which makes man insensitive to human feelings and emotions. Franz was afraid of going to school as he had not learnt the participles. He wanted to enjoy the beauty of nature, the bright sunshine, the birds chirping in the woods, Prussian soldiers drilling, etc. Attracted his attention, but he resisted. The bulletin board in the town hall had all the bad news of lost battles, the draft, the order of the commanding officers, etc. This time, when he saw a crowd in front of the hall, he wondered what it could be now. When he reached school, he noticed some changes in the school. The school usually began with a great bustle. Instead of noisy classrooms, everything was as quiet as Sunday morning. The teacher does not scold him and told him very kindly to go to his seat. Everything was very still and quiet. All the classmates were already in their places. The teacher had put on his beautiful green coat, frilled shirt, and embroidered black silk cap, which he normally wore only on inspection and prize days. The whole school had a strange and serious look. The back benches of the classroom were occupied by the village people like Hosser, postmaster and mayor, along with the villagers. Villagers were seated to pay tribute to M. Hamel for his 40 years of sincere service and also to express their solidarity with France. M. Hamel made the announcement that it would be the last French lesson. So he demanded full attention. They had received the orders from Berlin to teach only German in schools of Alsace and Lorraine. The new teacher was supposed to join the next day. A grim realization dawns on the narrator. He realized that he does not know his own mother tongue. He realized that he had so much more yet to learn. He felt sorry for skipping his lessons. He also realized the reason why the teacher was dressed in his Sunday best and villagers were seated at the back. M. Hamel realizes that all three, the children, the parents and he himself, are to be blamed for losing respect and regard for the mother tongue. He spoke about the French language and said that it was the most beautiful and logical language in the world. He also said to always keep the mother tongue close to one's heart, as it is the only key to the prison of slavery. The teacher was teaching sincerely and patiently, the students and others studying with utmost sincerity. Franz wonders sarcastically if the Prussians would force the pigeons to go in German as well. M. Hamel, overcome with emotions, could not speak and wrote on the board, "Vive la France," which means "Long live France." He dismisses the school by making a gesture with his hand. The church bell rang and he dismissed the class. Thank you and best of luck.